In this video, we will show you how to mark attendance and reading and the tools that are available to you when using WISE2 on a mobile device. This tutorial shows WISE2 on an iPhone, but all the information also applies to Android phones. These instructions also apply to both seminary and institute programs. They also apply when using WISE2 on a computer, but their locations and look may change on larger screens. If you need information about how to log into WISE2 on a mobile device, please view the WISE2 mobile navigation video. The Daily Summary tab only shows the current date. In seminary, you can mark both reading and attendance if there is a class session, or just reading if there is no class session. In institute, you can mark reading and attendance also if there is a class session. Here you can also see if students have any statuses a teacher may need to be aware of. This is indicated by the number to the left of the student's name. When you click the number, it shows the statuses. If a student is on track and has no statuses to display, a number will not appear. On the Attendance tab, you can mark attendance for any class session in the term. To do this, select the desired date from the Date menu, and then select the attendance mark type from the menu on the left. If you are marking all students the same, you can click the Mark All Unmarked option from the attendance menu. If you are using the selected attendance mark type for some students in the class, close this menu. After selecting the mark type, and then mark attendance on each individual student. If a student is below 75% attendance, a yellow alert will appear to the left of the student's name. The student's percentage will appear to the right of the name. You can also add a note on any class session for students or their parents to see in My Seminary or My Institute. Attendance must be marked before adding notes. On the Reading tab, you can mark reading for any day in the term for seminary or any class session for institute. To do this, select the desired date and then mark the reading for a student. If it is an institute class, you can mark part or all the assigned readings. On the Credit tab, you can see whether a student is on track to earn credit for the current semester, or if they are in danger of not receiving credit. A search and filter menu is available on the class screen. You can search for an individual student or filter the list for drop students or students without an MRN. You can also change the sorting of the class list from this menu. Clicking on the I icon to the right of the class name will show details about the class, including the number of scheduled students, the course, and building and room information. This information can be edited when using WISE2 on a computer. On every tab on the class, there is a 3-dot menu to the left of the date where additional options and tools are available. If you are on the Daily Summary, you can edit student photos and mark all readings, and if there was a class session and attendance has been marked, you can message absent or tardy students or their parents and cancel a class session. Messages are sent to the preferred contact method and can only be sent after attendance has been marked. The menu will show only a selection of the tools when on the attendance and reading screen. To edit student photos, click the 3-dot menu and then select Edit Photos. In the drop-down, select the name of a student. To add a new photo, click the Upload button in the bottom right corner and select the location of the picture. You can also rotate the photo using the rotate options in the top left and right corners of the screen. To delete a photo, click the Delete button in the bottom left corner. Once you have completed the upload of a student photo, click Save. You can then select a new student from the drop-down and begin the process again. Once all student photos have been uploaded, click the X in the top right corner to exit out of the photo upload tool. If you have questions about how to use any of these tools in WISE 2 on a mobile device, please contact your administrative assistant for help or contact the WISE team on our Yammer channel or at wise-feedback@churchofjesuschrist.org.